Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing another Ramadan special, Keema Roll. Before we get started, we just want to thank all of our old and new subscribers for subscribing to our channel and supporting us. It means a lot to us. It encourages us to make more videos like this one. Please keep supporting us and share this video with your friends and family. Before any further delay, let's get started. For filling preparation, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 pound of ground meat. We are using beef over here. You can use lamb or goat as well. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed chili and add salt as per your taste. Add half tablespoon of coriander powder. Give it a good mix, then add 1 cup of water. Now cover it up until the water dries. While the water dries up, we will grind our spice. Take 2 tablespoons of whole coriander and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Grind it. This mixture should not be like powder. It should be a little like crushed type of spice. Now the water has dried up. Add the prepared spice. Stir for about 4 to 5 minutes, then turn the stove off and let it cool. Now we will start to make the roll. We are using the same sheets that we have used in our spring roll recipe. You can check that video out. We will give the link in our description box below and also in the suggestion. Make the roll as you see over here. We're using the same type of paste to stick the roll together. Now fry it in a deep fryer until it becomes golden brown. You can also use an air fryer if you like. The delicious Keema rolls are ready to be served for your iftar or for appetizers. These are amazing. Try them with a sauce of your choice. Let us know how you like this recipe in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit that bell icon so that way you can receive our new videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.